Everyone. In last lecture we have seen CSS methods. In today's lecture we are going to see HTML methods and text methods. HTML methods treats the content as HTML and text method treats the content as text. By using these methods we can change the content of paragraph, H2 and everything within our page. Let's try with the HTML methods and I will show what is the difference between HTML methods and text methods. Don't get confused. Now I'm starting with this. I'm selecting all paragraphs and using HTML method. HTML method, we just need to write same as we're writing a HTML page or a paragraph in the HTML simply. Okay, just close it and now save and run it and hit the button. Here you can see that every paragraph is changed to welcome to my YouTube channel. With the help of text method, I'm going to switch it to text. Okay. Need to remove this because it's text simply. Now it's a text method. Now save it and execute it. Now you may get confused, both are doing the same things, but there is a major difference with both of this, because by using this HTML we can change its size and we can change it to other type, like we can change it to H2. Okay, now just refresh it and execute it. Here you can see that its font is increased to H2 size, and in the same way we can make more changes by using this HTML method. This is the big difference between text method and HTML method. With the help of text method we can fill content within a empty H2. Let's try how to fill it. Now comment this one. After that I'm trying to fill this H2, so I just write $H2 and I want to fill it with text. Okay, and I just want to fill it with hello. I just want that this empty H2 will be filled with this hello when I click on the button or hit the button. Let's see how it works. And none of these contents, none of these paragraphs will be changed. Here you can see that all the H2 has been changed. If I want to not to change this H2, then I can place H1 here, so that single H1 will be executed when I have single H1 in my page. Now save it, refresh, and here you can see that hello left content, because there in our HTML page there is only single H2, H1, that's why only that is filled with the content within it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share with your friends, and stay tuned to our channel.